Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and this is my review of Perpetual Income 365. As you can see, I am in the program. I've actually also done the upgrades because I wanted some extra tools. So what is this? This is a done-for-you business. It has squeeze pages included. It has follow-up included. It has income streams that are both residual and one-off. So you're going to be making money, on automatic pilot with some of it. And you're also going to be making money on the upgrades, which is great. The thing I love about it is the 3-day challenge. They really want you to start making sales immediately. So when you get in here, they're going to tell you about solo ads, which is a form of advertising. Now, when you buy these solo ads, you're buying a number of clicks, okay? So when you buy clicks, let's say you buy 500 clicks, the owner of this company here is going to give you another 500 clicks for free. So you're doubling the amount of traffic going to your pages, which is going to double the chances of you actually making a sale. So does this work? Yes. I've been in this for less than 24 hours. I've already made my first sale. And I'll show you. Okay, here. All right, so here I made my first sale. Now, you might be thinking, now, Kat, it's $3.66. This is not a big deal. It actually is a big deal because this $3.66 can turn into $24 a month on automatic income. Okay? Did you hear that? The $3.66, the sale, can turn into $24 a month in repeatable income on automatic pilot. How many of those do you need? Like I said, I like this program. Done for you. I don't have to set up the squeeze pages or the follow-up or decide on products if I don't want to. I can leave it alone, just buy my traffic, especially in this 3-day challenge. They will double your traffic for you. And in less than 24 hours, I made my first sale. And I'm fully expecting a lot more sales to come in because most of my traffic hasn't even started yet. All right. So that's my opinion on the Perpetual Income 365 program. I can't guarantee you income legally, but as you can see, I've been in it for less than 24 hours. I made my first sale, and that sale can turn into recurring income every single month. I hope you're having a great day. If this is interesting to you, click the link below and get started today.